Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna do some welding today. I already removed the bracket off of that. Now I gotta jack up the car, put it on jack stands, drain the radiator, and weld the new radiator mount on. Gotta be comfortable. Oh my God. All right, so this is what we got going on here. Sits perfect right there. I'm just gonna mark it, clean the metal up so that I can weld it. Got it marked, so I'm just gonna clean it up from there to there. Wait, hold on. You didn't think I was gonna start welding without having a young crispy though, did you? Cheers. All right, I got it where it needs to be. I'm just gonna throw a couple tacks on there with the Harbor Freight welder, and then remove the radiator, and then weld it all the way. It's on fire. Those little rubber gaskets are on there pretty tight, I tell you what. All right, looks pretty good. Looks pretty good to me. Looks just like factory. Look at them dimes though. I mean, they ain't bad. That'll hold for sure. Solid. I'm going to go ahead and put a couple of these little pads right here in front of the radiator so it's not rubbing metal to metal. So another thing I wanted to do was drain the transmission fluid and then add some, because I don't even know how much it has. So I'm going to do that. Stupid birds. So it had transmission fluid in it, or well, gear oil or whatever in it, but I don't think it had enough, but it was actually really clean, which is surprising. So now I'm gonna add some. Decided to take the Dizzy apart, found a quick fix real quick. Just this wire, the tachometer wire was disconnected. And then I got my daughter over here. Dada! Okay. Yeah, it's also got dirt all in it. It sat in the rain. Let's see if that worked. Yeah. We got RPMs now. Got the bracket all welded up. Got that bracket on there. Got the little pad so it's not rubbing metal to metal. Changed the transmission fluid, which it didn't have very much in it. Only had like a quart, so that's a pretty good thing that I got that changed. Got to test out the Harbor Freight Welded today that I bought for like 40 bucks. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I think we're at 61 subscribers, so we're, you know, slow and steady, but I'll keep making them as long as you guys like the videos and subscribe. I got more content. Got more content coming soon. There's definitely a lot more stuff that I could do to the car, but yeah, see you guys on the next one.